Hi! In front of me is TCL 408, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing options. Start by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to Access System. Now tap on Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard, and Revert. Lastly, select Text Correction. As you can see, all typing options are available over here. To manage them, click on the switches next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!